Okay, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to deal the topic that is distribution channel or channel distribution, marketing channel distribution through horizontal marketing system. Okay, last class we have did about vertical marketing system. Today we are going to deal about the horizontal marketing system. What does horizontal marketing system? Okay, it is a form of distribution channel where wherein two or more companies at the same level, unrelated to each other, come together to gain the economies of scale. Okay, in this, if we talk about the horizontal marketing system, then in this horizontal marketing system, two or more companies who are producing different products or services, they just merge, they just combine together to attain the economies of scale. That is known as what? Horizontal marketing system. In other words, we can say that it is the merger of two unrelated companies who have come together to exploit the market opportunities. Okay, this type of marketing system is followed by companies who lack in capital, human resources, production techniques, marketing programs, and are afraid of incurring the huge losses. Okay, so all those companies, all those industries who are working, all those organizations who are working on different rates, okay, and if they are afraid, they are scared, and they find that the risk is more, so that their capital investments or the human resource production techniques or the marketing programs which are being incurred by them would come in losses, then at that, so to avoid those losses, what they used to do, they just do the horizontal marketing system. They combine each other in the on the basis of which they just form that. In order to overcome these limitations, the companies join hands with other companies who are big in size, either in the form of joint venture that can be temporary or permanent, or merges to sustain in the business. Okay, so this is known as what? Horizontal marketing system, where two or more companies who deals in different fields, in different areas, they just merge together for gaining the economies of scale, so that the limitation of risks which should be incurred by these would be lowered, so that there should be no so much limitation should be there, so that so much risk should be beared by one individual similar company. Okay, so on that is known as what? Horizontal marketing system. Okay, if we talk about the horizontal marketing system, then there are three types of horizontal marketing system. How many types of horizontal marketing system are there? There are three types of collaboration under horizontal marketing system. Number one is two or more manufacturers. Okay, where two or more manufacturers combine together with an objective of making optimum utilization of scarce resources. Okay, that is known as what? The first collaboration, that is known as where two or more manufacturers will combine together. The other one is what? Where two or more wholesalers combined together with the objective of, where two or more wholesalers. अब यहाँ पर क्या आ गया? पहला कोलैबोरेशन में दो और दो से ज्यादा कंपनीज थी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस थी, मैन्युफैक्चरर्स था. अब यहाँ पर दो और दो से ज्यादा होलसेलर्स है. ओके, सो टू और मोर होलसेलर्स. ओके, दे कंबाइन, दे कोलैबोरेट with the objective of covering a large area of the distribution of goods and services, where a large area of distribution of goods and services are incurred. On that case, the second collaboration between the two or more wholesalers. And the third one is where two or more retailers collaborate together. Okay, in this, what is being done? It is on the basis with the objective of providing bulk quantities in a particular area, so that in a particular area a bulk quantity of products of a specific product on a specific area would be easily provided to the customers. That is known as what? Type of collaboration under HMS. That is the third one. Okay, so if we talk about the example, one of the best example which I have seen till yet is about Nike and Apple. Two companies, Nike and Apple, has entered into a partnership under horizontal marketing system with the intent of to have a Nike plus footwear, Nike plus footwear, in which the iPod can be connected with these shoes, on which the iPods are connected with the shoes that will play music along with the display of information about time, distance covered, calories burned, and heart pace on the screen. On the iPod, these things would be displayed when the person wears the footwear of Nike and Apple. These are under the collaboration of these two. So this is what the very classic example of horizontal marketing system. Okay, now let us know, as we have studied on the last class about vertical marketing system. Okay, we have studied about vertical marketing system. So let's see the differences. Okay, let's see the differences between VMS and HMS, vertical marketing system and horizontal marketing system. The first we have to look upon the vertical marketing system. The differences between the two are what? In vertical marketing system, it refers to a marketing system that aims to attract and reach business ऑपरेटिंग इन द सेम इंडस्ट्री. ओके, इन वर्टिकल मार्केटिंग सिस्टम में हम लोग देखें कि एक ही प्रोडक्ट ऊपर से नीचे तक मैन्युफैक्चरर्स, होलसेलर्स, रिटेलर्स, कंज्यूमर्स, है ना, उस तरीके से सप्लाई होता है सेम ही इंडस्ट्री में. ओके, और एचएमएस में क्या होता है? In HMS, it refers to a marketing system whereby businesses which are at the same level join together to gain economies of scales. Businesses of different organizations, okay, on unrelated products having the same level in the market would combine together to gain the economies of scale. That is what the definition of HMS. Now in VMS, who are the players in VMS? In VMS, players include manufacturers, wholesalers and the retailers, whereby the three work together with the intention of profit maximization. Here in the, who are the players? Players are the wholesalers, manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers, and the entire, and in this place the entire thing goes to whom? To the company. Okay, the maximization, they work for the maximization of the profit. And in the other hand, in HMS, horizontal marketing system, what is being done? Players can either be manufacturers, wholesalers and retailers. Okay, three means whether the manufacturers, whether the wholesalers or whether the retailers, they might be the players in horizontal marketing system. Now in vertical marketing system seeks to appeal to a specific demographic. Okay, so in vertical marketing system, a specific demographic location is being selected and there only the products are being transferred or delivered. But in HMS, horizontal marketing system, it appeals to a wide demographic that is not a specific. It can go anywhere. Okay, because it is not have any limitations. Okay, so in there is no any kind of demographic limitations in horizontal marketing system. Now in vertical marketing system does not provide a partnership environment. There is no scope, there is no arena of partnership environment in vertical marketing system. But in horizontal marketing system, there an opportunity would be provided for partnerships. Okay, so this is all about vertical marketing system and horizontal marketing system. Now students, in your syllabus of distribution, if we talk about the sixth unit, in the sixth unit we are doing the sixth unit, that is distribution strategies. On that we have studied about the introduction. We know about what does distribution channel means. As well, we have learned about the roles of marketing channels, the objectives of marketing channels, and we have seen about the channel management decisions. Okay, channel management decision is what? The channel management which we have studied, where we have studied the 5 steps, that is selection. Okay, after that we train, we motivate, we evaluate and control. All these are what we have studied, and conflict management, and last there is a conflict management. So all these comes under the channel management decisions, and we have completed on the last class we have completed channel integration through vertical marketing system and horizontal marketing system. Only we have to study about the elements, that what are those, the basic, what are those elements of vertical marketing system. Okay, thank you to all of you.